Going on today, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install one of our new 10 round limiters into the MBX Extreme Defender series 17 round mags. These are 17 rounds, 120 millimeter MBX Extreme Defender series magazines. They install differently than most of our 2011 mags because the block will install at the base instead of the follower. What you'll need is something small like this little Allen key, just to punch in the retaining plate. Okay, set the floor plate aside, remove the retaining plate, set that aside, and go ahead and just install the block like this. Push everything down into the mag, and then wait for you to hear that locking piece. Go ahead and give it a quick test. These mags also come with the GP Arms firearms as well. So they are a quality mag. If you need to block it down to 10 rounds or 15 rounds, this is an easy option. Okay, that right there will block it to 10 rounds. Do a quick test, and you'll still be able to push the last round down just a little bit so you can insert a closed bolt. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please reach out to us at magblocks@gmail.com. Again, this is Joe, the Magblocks guy. Have a good day. Thanks, guys.